Good morning and welcome to the rate update with Dan Frio. I am Dan Frio and this is your opening bell to real estate and mortgages. So today we saw the rates basically come out that would have been last night's close. Okay, so when I'm showing you the rates here in a minute, they're actually where we closed last night. They're not where we're going to open because all these reports are done prior to banks sending out their rate sheets. But some of the numbers that came in today were positive. And I'm going to show you the economic calendar. We're going to go over the jobs reports and durable goods sales. Why are we focusing in on those? Because we need more people working and we need to start curtailing our spending to bring inflation back in line. Now, the Russian war basically threw a monkey wrench into all my numbers because I didn't expect oil to go to $130 a barrel, thus pushing up inflation throughout the whole economy because of gas prices. Okay, so that is one conduit that I didn't predetermine that, nor did any other economist predetermine that. But let's get on to the news today, and then we're going to show you basically from what the news came out, where we should see mortgage rates going for the day, and maybe I'll give you some ideas on where I see the rest of this week and by the end of the month. From there on, it's really hard. And I agree. There's some people post down, it's like a crystal ball. I'm just using the data I've learned from history and everything else that I know to basically give you guys the best advice I could give you. Okay, and go back in time. You can watch my videos from a year or two ago. I just put out a video the other day. It was my 2022 predictions that I did in 2020. Did pretty darn good, I hate to say it. But let's get on to the news that we have for today. So let's get to it. Right here, we got to go for the economic calendar. I posted my video yesterday before these two numbers came out. Federal Chairman Powell did speak, but more in the news is the Russia situation and the Supreme Court justice trials, or however you want to say that, interviews. So that kind of took precedence over this. But what we did have come out is new home sales. They were down. Okay, so these numbers, what we look at across the spectrum right here is this is where we were last month, 788,000 new home sales. And then the forecast was for 810, but it came in actually less than where we were last month. Why? Well, unless you're under a rock, you know why. Basically, supply chain issues. If you saw that, it says new home sales. Okay, so that's new homes. That's not existing homes. So there's a supply chain issue. There's a labor issue, but there's some light at the end of the tunnel here. So let's go further on. Crude inventories are dismal. Okay, they're dismal right through here. So we had crude inventories down, depleted by 2.5. Actually, this is 508 million. So I'll say 2.5 million barrels. Okay, so that's not a good sign. So the durable goods orders right here, you're going to see that came in down. Okay, I'm okay with this number. Why? We need people to quit spending so much money indiscretionately, because you're driving up the inflation rates. And I get it, along with gas and everything else. Corporate profits are also playing a role in this. And I was going to post a thing yesterday about Moderno's CEO. Moderno's CEO, just so you guys know, and this one kind of really jerks my chain, he's getting almost $1 billion as a bonus, as a retirement parachute package. $1 billion to one person that runs Moderno, the vaccine company. $1 billion for one person as a retirement package. Just figure that one out. You wonder why drug prices are so high? Okay, so I'll get off my pedestal now. Then you go down here. Durable goods orders are, like I said, are down. But the initial jobless claims are also coming down and we're quite off the expectations. Okay, so last month we had 215,000 new jobless claims, new unemployment claims. We're 187 now. So this is telling me spending starting to come down and people are going back to work. So that being said, the newsletter I just posted out just a little bit ago is really, I don't know, the MBS market is really selling off, but there's no individual situation that's really causing this right now. So it's kind of got me a little bit baffled. But the U.S. Weekly jobless claims, like I said, just came in at the lowest number since 1969. You can see down here all the stuff that I just explained to you. Durable goods orders also is down quite a bit. I just explained that. Labor force participation, people are getting back into the workforce pretty slower than I expected, but it's coming back. Okay, so that's what all these numbers show you there. And then the JOLT index over the past 12 months, we've seen 6.4 million new jobs created. Okay, or people going back to those jobs. So that being said, what in the world is this doing to the MBS market? Well, we're getting hammered. Okay, so this, guys, is what's going on with the mortgage-backed security bond that trades on Wall Street. This is the biggest component of your mortgage rate. So we follow this number, however you want to say this, is because this is the price of the bond. As prices of bonds go down, yields go up. Okay, so when this price goes down, mortgage rates go up. In its easiest terms, when this price goes up, the price of the bond, the yield or your mortgage rates go down. So we love when this number is positive. Well, a 30 down isn't good. Okay, and the trajectory continues on its descent. All right, that's that. Now, where are we with rates? This is where we started or ended last night, and new rate sheets haven't been posted yet today. So let's see where we are. So yesterday, as you could see, when I posted, we had a nice rally in the MBS market, which they pushed down rates just a tad. Okay, so we go across here. This is the national averages of rates posted by Mortgage News Daily on a daily basis. We go across here and we see the 30-year fix coming in at 4.68, down 4 basis points. Okay, you can see here though now, no points. Okay, there's no points in that. I don't know why they do this. It drives me absolutely bonkers. So we're at 4.68. They might have been a typo or it might be inaccurate. I'm seeing rates at about 4.7, 4.75 right now. Crazy, I know. So when you call in and you're asking for a 299, guys, it doesn't exist. Look across the board here. Okay, the 15-year fix is coming in at 4% on the button. It is down 8 basis points. That's what we call this number here. 0.08 is 8 basis points in our terminology. The government loans, 30-year FHA/VAs coming in at 4.32, down 6 basis points. 30-year jumbos coming in at 4.05, down 5 basis points. And the 5/1 ARM is the only thing kind of causing a hiccup through here. It is up 3 basis points to 3.88. So let's see where we are with the charts. The charts aren't, I mean, this is no surprise. The chart continues to go up. But where are we sitting for the day in regards to the MBS market being positive or negative? Significantly negative. Okay, so that's not good for rates. So I see rates as soon as they start coming out from all of our lenders being higher, and that trajectory might continue through the day. And if I find out why, I will let you know. So if you like what I do, we are now the largest mortgage brokerage in the country. What can we do for you guys? Well, if you need a mortgage to build a house, to buy a house, to refinance, renovation, debt services for those investors out there, you're a 1099 or just any reason you want to just say, hey, I'm looking to buy a house, I'm looking to remodel. What are the options for me? That's what we can do for you. So the best way to do that is give us a call, 844-775-5626. Visit our website, therateupdate.com. You got all this here, especially right now. If you're lucky enough, I'm the one manning this thing. It's the chat bot. I've talked to 2 or 3 people already today. I talked about 7 or 8 people yesterday who all applied online. So thank you so much. So thanks for watching the video, guys. If you find value, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe down below. Love doing this. Love the content. Love the cooperation you guys are giving with us and making this a success for us. And hopefully we're helping you as well. So God bless, guys. Don't forget my YouTube live this evening at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. I'll be posting that here in the next half hour all over social media for how you join me. So thanks for watching. Take care. I'll see you later this afternoon. Bye-bye.